Hey there and welcome back. Trying to keep up with all the new AI tools well, it's a lot. That's why we always check out places like AI Agent Store.
Oh, absolutely. It's great for just spotting what's new, what's gaining traction. And speaking of which, we found something interesting there called Dcup.
Dcup, yeah. The listing calls it an open source RG as a service platform. RG being uh, Retrieval Augmented Generation.
Right. So basically, it helps you build these systems, these pipelines, so your AI apps can find and use information effectively. Think of it like setting up a really good search function for your AI.
Exactly. If you're building AI stuff, you need it to access the right info. Dcup seems designed to make that whole process, well, scalable and easier.
Mm-hmm. And one thing that jumped out was the integration part. It says it connects easily with things like Google Drive, Dropbox,
Oh,
AWS.
that's pretty key, right?
Yeah.
Saves developers a ton of hassle connecting to data they already have.
Definitely. Less time wrestling with APIs, more time building the actual application.
And it's not just connecting. It's about finding the relevant bits. It mentions advanced search capabilities,
Hmm.
like LLM re-ranking,
Yeah, using large language models to sort the results, make them more relevant, and summary indexing too.
summary indexing.
Yeah,
So maybe getting the main points from lots of documents quickly.
could be. It also talks about hybrid search, combining OpenAI embeddings, which understand meaning, sort of with QDRANT vector storage and traditional keywords.
Okay, so it's blending different ways to search, like understanding the idea behind your query and matching specific words.
Exactly. That usually gives you much better, more nuanced results than just one method alone. Plus, it has a retrieval API they call intuitive and a modular architecture.
Modular.
Yeah,
So flexible. You can maybe swap parts in and out depending on your project.
that's the suggestion, yeah. Flexibility and ease of use for developers seems to be a big focus.
Makes sense. So if you listening are maybe an AI engineer, data scientist, software dev, the listing mentions those roles specifically.
Right. Also, machine learning engineers and researchers, it seems targeted at people actively building or researching with AI.
It also has this autonomy level listed as 82%.
Yeah, that's interesting. The listing doesn't fully detail it, but 82% suggests a high level of automation, maybe in how it finds data or analyzes it continuously.
Could be. And probably the biggest eye catcher for many.
Let me guess the price.
Yeah, it's listed as free,
Oh,
open source and free.
that's a huge plus. Lets teams try it out, build proofs of concept without needing budget approval right away.
Totally. And the use cases listed kind of back this up. Building AI apps needing good retrieval, integrating different data sources,
Uh-huh. Self-hosting large data sets is mentioned too, and projects needing both that semantic meaning-based search and keyword search.
right? And the tags give you that quick text snapshot. RAG open source, self-hostable, vector database, OpenAI embeddings, QDRANT, all that good stuff.
Yeah, it lays out the tech stack pretty clearly. Industries mentioned are software development, research, business automation.
Okay, so fairly broad application within tech and research fields. It does have a popularity level of 32% on AI Agent Store.
So maybe not a household name yet, but definitely getting some attention within that community. Gives you a sense of where it stands.
Right. So wrapping it up, Dcup looks like a free open source tool aimed at making it easier for developers to build AI that can find and use information really well. Lots of integrations, advanced search features.
Yeah, seems pretty powerful, especially for being free.
So a question for you listening. If you work with AI or just lots of data, how could something like Dcup maybe change how you access information for your projects? Could it streamline things?
Definitely something to think about.
You can check out more details on Dcup and find other tools over at aiagentstore.ai.
Worth a browse.
Absolutely. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this useful, we always appreciate a rating.